In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT in Figma to supercharge your design workflow. Whether you're looking to generate snappy text content, develop creative ideas, refine your UI copy, choose the perfect color palettes, or even automate certain parts of your design process, integrating ChatGPT into Figma can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and explore how to make the most of this powerful tool. First, you'll want to open up Figma and load your design file. Once you're in your workspace, head over to the top bar and locate the resources icon. This is your gateway to a plethora of tools and plugins designed to enhance your Figma experience. Click on it and then select the plugins option from the dropdown. We'll be searching for specific plugins to seamlessly integrate ChatGPT into your design process. In the search bar, type in ChatGPT for Figma. This plugin will bring the capabilities of ChatGPT directly into your design environment. If you want alternatives, consider looking up UXGPT or Magician by Diagram, which are popular choices among designers for their unique functionalities. Once you've identified the plugin you want to try, click on the Run button to activate it. Depending on the plugin, you may need to either log in or paste in your OpenAI API key. This step is crucial for the plugin to access ChatGPT's functionalities, so ensure you have your credentials or API key ready. With the plugin running, you can now interact with ChatGPT within Figma. In the text box provided, you simply type your prompt. For instance, you might ask for a product description by typing, "Write a product description for this card design." If you're working on a login form, try generate UX microcopy for a login form. Alternatively, if you're struggling to find that perfect color scheme, you could request suggest color palette ideas for a health app. These prompts provide a starting point, but feel free to tailor them to match your specific needs and context. And there you have it, a straightforward way to bring the powerful capabilities of ChatGPT into your Figma workflow. Not only does this integration save you time, but it also helps unlock new creative avenues, enhancing both efficiency and creativity in your designs. If you found this video helpful, please consider hitting the like button and subscribing to my channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.